Today we're going to be talking of lines. Of course, you know ordinary lines, that is this one. You use it to draw vertical, diagonal. These are just the single line command. We have the construction line. If you want to choose it vertically, if you want it horizontal, use the space bar to recall it. There are options here: horizontal, vertical, angular. You want it horizontal, click edge. Horizontal. These are construction lines. It's continuous, like endless. If you want to keep panning, you pan endlessly for construction lines. And besides that, we'll have what we call spline. Spline, it's curved lines actually. Yeah, so curved lines. What have what we call multi-line. Multi-line saves time for you, but you will need to create it first. And to do that, create a multi-line. For instance, you type in MLSTYLE, that's ML style. So this multi-line style box comes up. You click new to create a new word. Let's say we want to create a 225mm special word. 225mm word. And click continue. Now what happens is this: the paper you're looking at has a hollow block, 225mm thick hollow block showing. What happens is the first part of the block, the thickness is 50mm thick. The hole inside is 125mm thick. Then the external part of it is another 50mm thick. Now, if you add it up cumulatively, 50 plus 125 will give you 175. 175 plus another 50 will sum it up to 225mm thick. So that's what you're looking at here. So while you're having space of 125 in the hollow block, 50 this side, 50 this side, cumulatively it adds up to 225mm per block. Now we want to use this to achieve our multi-line hollow block. Right? So with that in mind, we want to create a new 225mm wall. So the first one is just 0. The second one is an offset of 50mm, but we want more walls, we want more lines. It's just 2 lines here. So if you want to add, just click this, add. We want the fourth wall. We have 1, 2, 3, 3 lines. This is 4 lines now. This is going to make the block that we're looking for. So the first one is just 0, the beginning wall. We're not offsetting, it's just 0. So okay, let us use that color for it. Okay for it. The second one is now going to be 50. 50. Remember what we said? 50mm. Okay, let us use that color for it. Okay, let me use this color for it. First one, this. The second one, let it be this. Okay. Now the third one is going to be 175. 175. Yes, 175. Then the last one is going to be this color, but this time around it's going to be 225. 225. Okay, fine. So you now see there is a graduation. The first line, which is this, look at the color. The second line, which is this, is 50mm offset. The third line is 175mm, that's accumulation, 125 plus 50. While the last one, which is this, is 225. So the front and the back, the inside and the outside of the block is sharing the same color. See, the 225 and the first one that is saying 0, they're sharing the same color type, so that when you are on your screen, you'll be able to understand where is the inside and where is the outside. Now take note of the name. It is 225 mm SPP wall. Yes, 225 mm SPP wall. Okay. Alright, so let us. Okay, so that's the 225 mm SPP wall. Okay. So click OK. Now you want to call that up. All you just need to do is do Line. Type it on your screen. It's telling you to specify first point. Now I will not want to start specifying first. I'll just right click. I want to check the scale. My scale is 1, which is okay. So let's go. It's saying specify. I want to tell them the type of style I want. There are so many styles there. I want the 225 mm SPP wall. Yeah. So now I am ready. So I can start drawing. You do very well. You notice something. Let me end it there and see what I have here. If you draw, let me say I put a construction line, shortcut for construction line is XL, and I want a vertical line. I just click here, click anywhere here. I want to see the distance between this. First of all, let me see the thickness. DI is 225. 225. Okay, now from here to here is 50. You can see. From here to here is 175. From here to this place is 225. Remember the external wall, the outside, these external lines have the same color, the internal ones have the same color. So that is to tell you that that is that particular wall that we created. Okay? So you say let's create a building with this format. All you just need to do is call up the line, M line, specify it. Look down here, the style is 225 mm SPP wall. Okay, so just start. Move. Also take note of how I'm moving. Yeah. Click that, use the escape key to end command, use the space bar to call it back. Now if I click like this, I click to the right of this line, it is going to be coming down to my left hand side. See? Now we're going to come down, jam it up here, escape key to end the command back. Now I want to go upwards like this. I come to the left hand side and see it inside the wall. Stick it up. Yeah, that's it. Alright, so yeah, that's it. So okay. Let's say for instance you intend to put a door. You could just specify the offset of the door first. 1500 to say. Let's say you want the door to be 900. Do this. Trim it up. Okay. Now this is where we use a polyline. The polyline is this shape. See it like you've got an anchor, and just can specify start point. See the start point, and it's asking you for the width. Let's say you want the width to be, click enter for the width, and you say you want it to be 15 meters thick. Yeah, so the end in the same thing, we want it to be 15 millimeters thick rather. And that's it. See, we have something this far. Stand. Yeah, so that's it. That's it. I'm trying to put the circle there. Figure out. Use your trim command to out shut. And trim it out. Trim it up. That's it to it. And that's plus minus what it is.